Hello, young inventor. Great to see you on board and welcome to the WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2020 competition. So, a lot has changed over the past few months. We are in the middle of a global health crisis that none of us has ever confronted before. In the past few months, we have reinvented social interactions, our physical contact, mode of communication, and so many other things. In this situation, our primary goal is to protect ourselves as well as others in the community from not only a virus but also from any kind of danger or threat. So one of the themes of WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2020 competition is safe community living. What is it exactly? Let's find out. In this particular theme, we invite you to bring in a fresh idea that will help protect the community from the transmission of any kind of viruses or any form of communicable diseases at home, residential complexes, streets and parks, schools and colleges, hotels, restaurants, gyms, or community marketplace. Practically everywhere where a person comes in contact with others. Your idea may also be based on waste management, sustainable lifestyle, clothing innovation, food or diet alerts, and so on. The possibilities are almost infinite. But do remember, your innovation must carry the intention of a safe community living. So the next step for you is to describe your innovative idea in 250 words and how you plan to build it. After your idea is approved, you need to build your project, shoot its video, and upload it on the WitBlox app. Here is a small tip. Look out for a fresh idea and design a working model or prototype applying basic engineering concepts to bring automation to improve efficiency and convenience. Best of luck for your invention. Remember, you are the future.